Today we are going to perform an experiment on density. For this experiment, we will require normal tap water, 2 lemon, 2 glass and salt. So let's start the experiment. Now, firstly we have to add tap water to both the glasses. Now, take 1 lemon and put it into the glass. We see the lemon sank. Now take some salt and add it to the another glass. Properly mixed so it get dissolved. Now take another lemon and put it into the salt water. You can see that the lemon floated on the water. The lemon sank inside the normal water because the density of the lemon was higher than the density of normal water. The lemon floated into the salty solution because the density of lemon is now lesser than the salt solution because after adding salt to the water become denser. From this, we can conclude that object with less density than the liquid floats on the liquid and object with higher density than the liquid sink inside the liquid. Thank you.